Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most important parts of a healthy lifestyle, how to eat well without feeling overwhelmed. Whether you're just starting your wellness journey or looking to fine-tune your habits, this video is for you. The first step to eating for a healthy lifestyle is simple. Choose whole, minimally processed foods. That means fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Think of food in its most natural form. For example, opt for an apple instead of apple juice. Choose brown rice instead of white rice. These small swaps may seem minor at first, but over time, they make a huge difference in how you feel and function. Whole foods are packed with essential nutrients, keeping you energized and satisfied throughout the day. Next up, balance is key. A healthy plate includes a mix of protein, fiber-rich carbs, and healthy fats. When you're building your meal, try to fill half your plate with colorful veggies. Think broccoli, peppers, or spinach. Then, include a quarter of your plate for lean protein options like chicken, beans, or tofu. Finally, reserve the last quarter for complex carbs like quinoa or sweet potatoes. To round it all off, add a spoonful of olive oil, toss in some nuts, or slice up an avocado for healthy fat. This balance not only supports your body's needs, but also helps control hunger levels. Another essential tip is to stay hydrated. Sometimes our bodies mistake thirst for hunger, leading us to snack when all we really need is a glass of water. Make it a habit to drink water throughout the day, and if plain water isn't your thing, try infusing it with fresh fruits like lemons, strawberries, or cucumbers. Herbal teas can also be a nice alternative. Staying hydrated will help keep your energy levels up and aid digestion. Lastly, don't forget about enjoying your food. Eating should be a pleasurable experience, not a chore. Allow yourself to explore new recipes and flavors. Try cooking at home more often so you can control the ingredients and transform meals into fun experiments. Meal prepping can also save you time and help you stick to your goals. When you make healthy choices enjoyable and convenient, you're much more likely to maintain those habits over the long haul. So there you have it. Eating well doesn't have to be stressful or complicated. By choosing whole foods, balancing your plates, staying hydrated, and enjoying the process, you can nourish your body and feel great. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more wellness tips. Catch you in the next video.